JD Aliens, welcome back to the show. Sit on down, man. I got some fun stuff, new stuff to show you. And that is the Galaxy S20 FE 5G. And you know, I got this phone from my wife. She really doesn't know about it. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it without her knowing. Let's do it. So before some of y'all jump into the comments trying to interject yourselves into my marriage, sit down, man. Back off my relationship. You don't know what I got going on in my house. Me and my wife, we love each other, trust each other, and things are going extremely well. And I guarantee you it's going to be going even better once she gets this phone all set up, because this kind of stuff gives her anxiety. She is using a Galaxy Note 8 right now, and she's okay with it, totally okay. I don't even think she wanted another phone, but I'm a YouTuber. This is what I do. So she gets a new phone, and I'm the tech person. I gotta set it up for her because she gets anxiety when it comes to getting new phones and stuff. She hates setting them up. She hates the whole process of getting the number transferred over and all that crazy stuff. So me being a good husband and her IT guy, I'm gonna go ahead and do it with you on screen right now. So for those of you wondering what this phone looks like, there you go. So this is the lavender version. Let me see if it has anything on the back. It does have that new stuff film on the back. Let's get it. Ooh. Say it with me in the comments section. Hashtag new stuff. Hell yeah. So there's the phone right there, but let's see what else we're gonna get in this box. I'm pretty sure y'all have watched a ton of unboxings already, so I'm gonna try to make this one as quick as possible because there's really not much here to see. All right, you get a, which one is this? This is adaptive fast charging. I don't think this is the super fast charging. Let me make sure. Yeah, this says 5 volts, 2 amps right there. So this is like the regular fast charging. It's not that blazing fast stuff that you get with the Note. So let's put that off to the side and let's look at the phone some more. Hey man, this is a nice phone. I dig it. It feels good. We do have a temporary screen protector here on the front. I'm not gonna peel this off because it's not supposed to stay on there. It has a lip for you to peel it off. It's not like the one that comes permanent on the phone. I'm gonna leave this on here because I did not get her any cases. I can't find any cases for this thing that I can get right away. And we have an agreement together. She is not allowed to have a phone without a case. I don't rock cases, okay? I got the Note 20 here and I don't rock cases because I'm careful with my stuff. But my wife is accident prone. If I put this in her hands, there's a possibility it might even short out. That's how accident prone she is. But she will get it with a set of nice cases. I'm gonna get her a clear one so she can, you know, showcase this beautiful color. It's kind of iridescent. You see how it kind of just shifts color just a little bit? It's still lavender everywhere, but it's just different shades of lavender. That is a pretty color, man. And on the side rails, you got that lavender metal right there, that coating on the metal. This is nice. I really like the hardware. And then there's your camera setup right there, which everybody's probably going to be going crazy about because this right here, I got this phone walking out the door for like 475 bucks. Let me go ahead and turn it on as I talk. 475 bucks. That is nothing for this phone. This is a flagship phone right here that costs $475. I looked at the specs and compared it to the S20 and the S20 Plus and all those. This is a flagship phone for all intents and purposes, and it is a very top competitor in the market, even in the flagship phones. Now, pairing it up to the Note 20 Ultra, no, it's not gonna compete, but it's still a great phone. Oh, look at that. Oh man, they even got the lavender screen on that bad boy. That is sexy, man. Super feminine, and I kind of like it, man. It really is a nice touch on the phone. That is gorgeous. I like this setup. From where I'm sitting right now, just flipping the screen up and down, it is very responsive. The screen looks fantastic. I don't know if it has that 120 going just yet, but let's just check just to see if it's automatically set at 60 hertz versus 120. Where is that? Motion high. Okay, high smooth. Yeah, so it's set at 120 right out of the gate. But I really just wanted to show y'all the hardware of the phone and let you see this color on camera. I don't know how well the camera really does. Well, this is a good job, man. The camera's picking up this color really, really well, and I really, really like it. I think if lavender or purple is your thing, you're gonna love this phone. Even if you like pink, like this is kind of almost pink, but it is what I would consider lavender. Samsung actually got the color scheme right on this one, not like that mystic bronze stuff that they were calling calling bronze that was actually pink. But what I really want to know is, do you want to see me do some content on this phone? What I was planning to do was give my wife her phone all set up and everything so she could use it. But we also have the option to switch for a few days so I can get acquainted with the Galaxy S20 and showcase it on the channel, kind of like I did with my my Galaxy Note 20. So I've done a video on this one. I've actually done several. Would you want to see more content on this channel for the Galaxy S20 FE? Because I could do a full review after a couple of days, even though it probably does take more than a couple of days to really figure out the phone and really give you a real synopsis of what the experience is like. Because I'm not going to regurgitate a bunch of specs. I give you the experience. So I need a good, maybe about a week to use the phone before I can give you the experience. So far, it seems really, really great. And I love this build quality right here. Yeah, it's telling me it needs to be set up. But yeah, man, let me know in the comment section if you want to see some content on this phone, and if there's enough reaction, you know, letting me know I should do some more content. You'll definitely get more videos about this phone, and I might even bring my wife in to let you know how her experience is. So let me know in the comments if you want to see this phone on the channel, and until I get back to y'all with some more videos, y'all make sure y'all keep being good to each other, and I'll see you when I see you. Oh, so you wanted them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you might want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?